What's up, dudes and dudettes? It's Connor with Hound Dog Motorsports. It's been like 3 weeks since I've made a video. Insane numbers with how consistently I've been posting, but we're back with more action, more stuff. I have at least $2,000 in parts I need to install, and we're gonna start with the chopper. Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to install grips under your 2007 Honda Shadow VLX 600, or any Honda Shadow for that matter, since they're basically all the same since 1987, I believe. So yeah, no more bullshit around. Let's just hop right on into it. So looking at these, you can see how like crusty and sticky they are. I mean, they're leaving substances on me already. I don't like that, and neither should you. So I'm just gonna do the easiest step first, which is to cut them off. That is one down. You can tell that these used to be chrome, these bars. I don't know what happened, but that's one off. The other side is just as simple. I'm gonna take it, start at the base, cut all the way through. You wanna make sure you're cutting all the way through with this and sliding it off. Another one is done. You know, just cutting them off. The next step is to put them on, and that's a little bit more difficult, so stick around for that. But speaking of sticking around, make sure you guys subscribe down below so you guys do not miss another installment on this chopper, the E70, or even the E92 back there. But to move on with the next step, you have two handlebar grips right here. One is obviously the bigger than the better. Can you tell?
Do you see Swiper? Where?
Bitch, is you blind?
That's right. It's gonna be the one in my left hand here and should be the left one on screen. We're gonna go ahead and slap that on this side that goes over your throttle pole thing. Can't remember what it's called. It's been so long since I built this bike, but it goes over the side that is the throttle here. So go ahead and slap that on first. So there's multiple ways to do this. You can use compressed air with an air compressor like I have in my garage, but I am not whipping that out right now. What I am gonna use is some carb cleaner to go ahead and spray the inside of this and slide that on. So what I like to do is get that all nice and wet so you can get the first half on, and then I take the carb cleaner and I put it in the end of the throttle like that. And you gotta muscle this on, guys. Now, don't be afraid to twist your throttle or apply a little bit more carb cleaner than what you'd normally do. It ripped. I'm gonna have to order some new ones. This obviously is not cutting it. Yeah, what the hell? That's what I get for cheating on Vans Colt grips, I guess. So we are back with new grips. I got the Vans Colt grips. I decided not to switch it up, I guess. I don't know. Man, I tried switching it up, and that's what I get for cheating on Vans Colt grips. So same thing, we got two sets. One is bigger than the other. It's the one on my left hand again. I'm getting my Salon on, and I'm gonna use hairspray. It's what I've used in the past, like I've said before. And what I'll continue to use is because it just fucking works. Look at that. Boom! One side done. Straighten them out a little bit. God, girthy. Love it. I love to see that.
Hold on.
Next side. Same thing. Lubing it up. Boom. Girthy again.
Pause.
And remember, this dries on like firm. It's extra hold, guys. It's gonna hold your grips, big dog. Nothing to worry about, all right? All right, guys, that does it all for this video. I tried switching it up a little bit, using different grips and using a different install method with the air compressor. Obviously, that didn't work. I went with what's tried and true for me, and that is the Vans Colt grips with some Tresemme extra hold hairspray right here. It doesn't beat that, you know? It's tried and true. It's what I've been using for now going on 8 years of motorcycle riding. If this guy's helped you at all, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.